Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to configure MikroTik CCR 1036 router. So first thing you're going to do is power the source, the unit on, and go to the mikrotik.com website, which we will do right now. If you're on the download page on the mikrotik.com downloads, and then go to the CCR, which and then download the main package and download the Winbox. Once you've downloaded them, start the Winbox, open your download folder, shut down everything which you don't need, and now comes the tricky part. If you're connected directly to the MikroTik router, you can go over layer 2. If you have active devices in between, you need to get into the same range as the unit itself is. My range is, I'm going to change it right now to the units range. You can try and it will work also using layer 2 with the MAC address. I just want to make sure, and using layer 3. Okay, connecting to this device on port 1, and here we go. So after resetting the device or packing it out of the box, you will receive this information. You can either remove all configuration, then you'll lose the IP address too, or you just press OK and connect yourself to port 1, I hope, and check the interfaces if they're running. This is R for running. I'm going to mark it using the comment sign, and this is my management interface. Management LAN, local area, and this is my WAN from my ISP. This will become my DHCP server, DHCP from my LAN, and now they will receive IP addresses. So my LAN would be this here, .10 .110 would be my router, and a subnet mask from 24, and that will be my interface too. My second interface will be my LAN interface, and my LAN interface will get this public IP address, and it's in a 29 mask range, and my WAN interface will be over here, and that's done. The next step is I'm going to create a route, and I can see that the route is already active over here, and the gateway is 25, so I will add the gateway 25. And it's reachable on the interface. I will now check if I can ping internet, and I can ping the internet. Now I have to take care of my clients. Now, okay, let's get starting and creating the first DHCP server. We do the easiest way is using the DHCP setup. We're going to use it on our interface Ethernet 2, and just checking Ethernet 2. Okay, that's where it's going to be, and it needs to be in this address range, and the gateway is 10, and we start off at 11 because of the router itself, and we go up to give out from 11 to 199. So that's the address range. Next, a DNS server, release time, we can reduce that to 0, and over here to 1. Okay, so that was the setup of the DHCP server. Okay, the next thing we need to do is we will create a firewall rule for that network. That means firewall NAT, NAT, and then the source address is going to be that network 10.10.110.0, and it's a /24 network, and under action we will wait. Okay, that's the source NAT going to the IP address. This is the IP address, so we're just taking this IP address, and this is the IP address which is supposed to be surfed on. So the outgoing one is to be used, this one is to be used for outgoing data, so to the internet. Okay, let's check if it works. We'll go back and set this here to automatic and patch it to port 2, and plugging it into the port 2 and hoping that I will receive an IP address on port 2. Okay, got it. 10.10.10.10, and let's see if I can ping out, ping 88888, and perfect. Great, it works.